welcome back to my channel. I was having very small budgies. These were my budgies, but something very bad happened. They ran away in Tasmania when I was there, and that was so sad. My dad was doing this. One day I opened it inside my house, the budgies. I was putting a one in another box. When I opened it, then the white one ran out. And there's a yellow one and there's a white one. I have a lot of color ones. They were so beautiful and pretty because I like them a lot because they're very nice with me and kind. Hello friends, my name is Ahmed. I'm so sad about my budgies. 6 budgies flew away. And yellow, white, and yellow. And blue. So 5 budgies flew away. And I'm so sad about them because those ones are my friends. I have a lot. I'm so sad about all of my buddies. Look at the cage and one's left. Because I'm so sad about my budgies. And I'm super duper sad. I really miss my friends. I really miss the forest, but it's too far away. I cannot go there that fast. I need a car to get there now. But my dad's at work. My mom cannot drive there because there's a big giant wolf that eats the humans. And I saw that before. My mom took me there before, but I saw a snake coming through too in the forest. I'm going to tell you a story now. Once upon a time, there wasn't a mice and a lion. Mice was jumping on the lion's belly, and the lion got disturbed, and the lion said, "I'm gonna eat you later, mouse." So then the mouse said, "Sorry, I'm sorry, lion. I'm so sorry." Then the lion said, "Okay." Then next time, the lion was trapped about the hunter make the lion trap. So then the little mice came to rescue the lion.